Namaste. Welcome to Crystal Maths. Class 10 CBSE Chapter 4 Quadratic Equations. What is quadratic equation? Any equation of degree 2 is called a quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx the c equal to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic equation. We can find the roots, that is the value of x, in two methods. Value of x can be identified using factorization and second method formula. The formula is very interesting as well as useful to you. Using formula we can solve any kind of quadratic equation. Okay, let us see what is the quadratic formula, because already we learned the factorization in lower classes, that is right from class 8 onwards we are learning that one. So let me introduce first formula. The formula for finding the value of x. Here in quadratic equation we will be having two roots. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant. If the discriminant is greater than 0 or the discriminant less than 0 or equal to 0, only three conditions will happen. Based on these three conditions, we can decide the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots means if it is greater than 0, just look here, if it is greater than 0, inside the square root we will be having the positive number. Definitely we will get some value for that. So we will get two roots in this. Two roots means real and distinct roots we will have. Two separate roots we will have that one. If it is less than 0. Less than 0 in the sense, here we will get the negative number. Negative number in the sense, we can't find the square root of negative number. So the roots will be imaginary. No, roots are not exist for this. No real roots, we can say simply. No real roots. Real roots, that are both also different roots will be there. Okay, next condition, equal to 0. Equal to 0 means what? If it is equal to 0, we will be left over minus b by 2a. That is x is equal to minus b by 2a means we may think that one in quadratic equation normally we will be having two roots. Here only one root. What is this? No. Here if it is in this case, both roots are same. Both roots will be same. For example, we may have that one x plus 2 the whole square. This is also quadratic equation. Or x minus 7 the whole square. This is also quadratic. In these cases, we will have the roots both will be same. Here x will be minus 2 and minus 2. Here 7 and 7. Both are same only. That in that cases alone, we will be having discriminant will be equal to 0. Okay, this is very important to remember the discriminant. By seeing the discriminant, we can identify the nature of the roots. Okay, let us apply the formula and find the roots. Before that, let us see the factorization, what we saw in earlier classes. Let us take one example. In both methods, we are getting the same answer or not. Let us verify. I am going to take one small equation. 2x square minus 2 root 8x plus 4 equal to 0. How to factorize this one? Normally what we will do, here 2 is taken a common. I can take the 2 outside and then cancel it. Or I can do directly also. Okay. If I do directly, what's happening? First, we need to do multiply these two. That is, product we have to do that one. 2 into 4, 8. Find the factors for that. 1, 8, 2, 4, like that we will do. But our coefficient of x is 2 root x. So, again we can go further. What is that? In this 1 and 8. This can be written as root 8 into root 8. Root 8 into root 8 will become 8 only. If we add root 8 plus root 8 will become 2 root 8. It's given minus. So, minus and minus, if I add minus it to minus, it will become plus. So, the addition will be minus 2 root 8. Based on that, I can split the middle term. That is 2x square minus root 8x minus root 8x plus 4 equal to 0. Taking the common term out in this. Okay, root 8 is given. Root 8 is what? 8 if I factorize, I will get 2. So, 2 root 2 I can write that one. So, 2x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 2x plus 4 equal to 0. In this place, we can simplify by 2. If we are simplifying by 2, we are getting x square minus root 2x minus root 2x plus 2 equal to 0. I divided each and every term by 2. This work we can do in first step itself. That's also possible. Now, let us take the common term for first 2 terms as well as last 2 terms. If we are taking common one means we are getting x minus root 2 and root 2 we can take it out common. Because 2 can be written as 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. So, root 2 if I take it out, I will get that one minus x minus root 2. To avoid that, what I am doing, I am going to take plus root 2, minus root 2 if I take it out, I will get x minus root 2 equal to 0. Remember, in both brackets, we should have the same thing. Then only our answer will become right. So, which is equal to x minus root 2 into x minus root 2 equal to 0. It is nothing but both here, look here, both roots are equal over there. So, x is equal to root 2 and another one root also root 2 only. So, this is the way we got the answer. Let us verify the same thing using formula. In formula, let us do that work now here in first step itself. That is by dividing by 2. We are getting x square minus root 8x plus 2 equal to 0. Root 8x I can write as we write here, minus 2 root 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, we will use the formula. B square minus 4AC. Let us check that one discriminant in beginning itself for anything. B square minus 4AC is B is minus 2 root 2. So, minus 2 root 2 the whole square minus 4AC. 4 into A is 1, C is 2, which is equal to 2 root 2 the whole square. It's nothing but 8. Because 2 root 2 is root 8. Root 8 the whole square is 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. If B square minus 4AC equal to 0, we will get the roots are equal. So, we are going to get the equal roots. B square minus 4AC is 0. That we will apply in formula. That is, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b, that is root 8 plus or minus, just now we received 0 for that, so by 2 into 8, so 2, which is equal to 8 can be written as 2 root 2 by 2. By cancelling, we are getting the answer as 2. X is equal to root 2. Though we are getting equal roots, we can say that another root also root 2 only. So, this is the way we can verify that one. The formula method is like a Brahmastra. We can find the solution of the quadratic equation any type in this. But sometime if you are using factorization, time will be saved. So, the suitable method and solve